share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Real VIP on the check-in.
Right there.
Brother, them come catch me in a mode where right now close pan line and you know what I mean, I get ready to go out in the studio and then sit
there. Record another hit.
Yeah, where are the one?
Great VI.
Don't know, you know.
But then the scheme I walk around, I know so we have a pass through. Let's give them a little slight introduction before them get the real preview.
Yeah, you know.
I know we gotta do our greetings now. Send out the greetings then.
Yeah. I mean I say season's greetings. You see me I say? Happy Hanukkah and all of them something that you know what I mean, to where you celebrate and where you believe, you know. You see me I say? So big up all of the fans them, big up all of the Seaviewites them, you see me I say? Big up all of the people them who do great things and who pursue them dreams, you see me I say? And more encouragement, more blessings, you see me I say? And all of the people them when I do nothing progressive, get on track, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
because God put a purpose in front of every man. You see me I say? You can't born for thief star, or you believe in that?
No.
No, so here are going. And you can't born to kill.
No, you
know
can't.
what I mean? So here are going. Get off of that road there and go up on the right road. You know what I mean? Because you put a road before every man.
True.
So me I say, so if you're at the crossroad and there's a left and a right, choose the right now, man.
Choose the right.
You know
I can't do the wrong.
You see me I say, so
we're
there and here are going. New album on the way for 2020 and that we are talking about.
See it there?
You see what I say?
Tell them.
Yeah, so right now we want Kino and the whole team, you see what I say?
Jamaica
send
good
this
life.
worldwide. You know what I mean? So you don't know, so look out for the new album from Real VI 2020. 4 new tracks released off it already. Life Lesson, My Life, Zozo, and I think when Real Not a Drill. You see what I say? I come soon.
But
in December, you murder. Just go on YouTube, type in realv.i and get formulated, get to know the whole thing. You see me I say? Get to know what's going on, what's popping. You know what I mean? Because a whole heap of good things happen. You see me I say? I want to do it, you know what I mean?
Because we show them, see there? A miracle might work from the chair.
Yeah, man, now we are talking about, man.
A miracle might work from the chair.
For you understand your purpose in life, you know. You see me I say? Can't stop you. You see me I say? Life lessons count your blessings today. Life lessons count your blessings today. There is always someone out there having it worse off than you. So don't you ever wish to walk in another man's shoe. Murder, you know.
Bad.
Yeah, man.
Come we are link here.
I saw the things. We have whole heap of songs. You see me I say? Whole heap of songs, but we highlight Zozo. You know what I mean? All when the Zozo in the place, and we still around the road. Whether could a night or in the day, we still around the road. Yeah. Our place so we not go left it out. See me thing that it me not go step without. And if I unmark her, you know what?
Yeah.
Murder, you know? Go on YouTube and get the song. Follow me on Instagram at realv.i. You know what I mean? Instagram. You see me I say? So just check out the whole thing. You know what I mean?
You have a song I like again, Success.
Celebrate and success.
Yeah,
and, you know what I mean?
I like that song there.
But as Good Life, the program name?
Yes, I.
But as I take a look back where I'm coming from, we'll leave for hungry nights. But mama said we born as a star and I shine so bright. Make me sing, make them hear me voice. I will leave a studio, we go a little try, we try. Me never stop till them give me a blight. But every time we touch out the street, fans are call we name. Good Life, when I hear me voice. And now we are celebrate with success, we only have one life to live. Good Life. You don't know, so the whole of the people, them, it's your choice. You see me, I say, to live that good life, so we are celebrate success.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, man, Jamaica, good life, man. It's our life, so we gotta make it good. You know what I mean?
How long do you do the music?
Oh, man. I'm here, you want to tell the people, them. Here what I go on. We may not do it, a little setback, by the Eden them, but you don't know say overcome. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And we still a do it. Because that me I talk about. Because we could have think about other things and we could have do other things. You see me I say?
Yeah, true.
But purpose. You see me I say? Purpose. You see that thing there? The name purpose. Willpower, strong mind, purpose. When you have that in you, all the time the body can't come off of that track. You see me I say? So, what is your purpose?
True.
You know what I mean? You know my purpose. I mean I live out my purpose. You know what I mean? So you don't know Jamaica good life, you live our good life. You know what I mean? It's our choice.
True.
Yeah.
In Seaview.
In Seaview.
Good life. See you where we live.
Yeah man. It's all about it.
You're a reach fast in the artist.
What you talking about?
Yeah, you're the only artist I'm sitting in a reach here right now in my eyes there at Dream. We have shows for shows a lot.
What you talking about, man?
Yeah.
You see me I say? You don't know. I want for things coming up. As I said, I stay focused on the album. You see me I say? Stay focused on the album for 2020. And people them can look out for that. We have some features. You know what I mean, that I don't want to speak about, but it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Some good names.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And all being well. DJ, you know some more. May I try get your bridging upon it? I tell you, I have one track that the film start. So me I say, I don't know. You know what I mean? Kino have the DJ I run up and down in a Trinidad and now I'm blood not me get a link on him.
Oh, potential. Then we tell you the link already up, man. Link already up, my DJ, man.
Brother, right now me just
busy because I'm going to America, you know.
Can't busy for them.
So you know
what I mean?
Your name is a must.
You know what I mean?
That feature there is a must.
But I don't know. You see me I say, I just need to get them things out of the way. I just voice up a bag song. And if I can send it to a virgin and then him say, yo, I like this and you know what I mean, just chop it up and send it to me. And I put it in my verse, then I say it and go, you see me I say. So that me I deal with, brother. And if who say them want to jump on the project, I delay. I just keep it moving.
Yeah, continue. How you do it though? Because one thing do you know, more the people that want to know how you do it for all these years.
Yeah,
you know, like
I ask a question to myself.
Because years now, we know you're in a wheelchair and you've been doing this same way. You never give up. You know, you have some people break.
I not have no safety.
Any tips you want to tell them?
And a matter like my father.
Yeah.
So me I say, so here we go on. We don't have that safety
gold spoon there.
We not born with that gold spoon there. We don't even see the spoon.
Much less.
You know what I mean? So here we go on. We have to create it. And we have to create it right now. So you don't know the thing go. You know what I mean? So here we now. We just go and do it.
Yeah, true.
You see me I say? We just go and do it. We don't have the time to think about who never do it and all of them stuff there.
Yeah.
So we just go and do it. You know what I mean? If that the task, Father God put in our hand, you see me I say? We just go and do the thing, you see me I say? So a balance, man.
Yeah,
yeah man, purpose, man.
Yeah, because you inspire a lot on this
program. We inspire people and the people might inspire me too. You see me I say? Because iron sharpen iron in it.
True.
You know what I mean? So we just go and do it. Me have my down days. Me have my days when time I feel like, you know what I mean, I get frustrated and I feel like some things now work, but then we just shake off that and get back on track because me as a man, I stay in the rock too long.
Yeah.
You know, some man make certain things stay with them 1, 2, 3, 4 days.
Yeah.
You know, couple hours, things will bother me, and I shake that off. Because you see, anything is like doing a test, you know, when you go to school. The teacher always tell us, whatever you buck up on where you give your problem, leave that and come and move on to the other question and then come back to that if so. So that's what I talk about. True. When I can't deal with at the moment, leave it and come back to it because that's what I deal with. You know what I mean?
True.
But as I tell you, Jamaica good life is a good life. You know what I mean? And we wish everybody a prosperous 2020 and for the rest of the year, drive safe, walk safe, live and love. You see me I say one love, you don't know the thing but real there represent. Good life, Jamaica good life. You know what I mean?
Really weird. So see that paper, you can check him out. All you hit him about there. Massive impact. VI.
You them now. Give thanks to you, man.
Yeah, man. You know we have to pass through, man. You know what the energy we work on for some time, you know, you see me?
That's all about.
And we there, we have to pass
through. We're going to do that. We're going to go in the kitchen.
That day there.
Because I see everything, you know.
Yeah.
I watch everything, you know.
Right.
We're going in the kitchen. But it's all about that time run. When we go in the kitchen, we are playing the music, we are talking about the album, and we are doing the food.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So basically, I'm going to show and say, yo, him do everything for himself. Everything. Me like cook, every single thing.
I mean,
so I'm going to show you. Trust me. Real VI.
Okay.
Jamaica, good life. You know, check him out, Real VI. Very talented. And never give up in our life. So you can check him out, you know, Real VI. Big up yourself.
That's what I say, check it. The money I do the carpenter from when we are young and youth and I just know from when we are baby boy and stuff.
Long time.
The man our father do the same thing, you see me?
Yeah, see,
You know the thing there. Yeah, man.
Introduce yourself, my general, to the world.
Yeah, man. Fitz Morgan from Seaview Garden. Great woodwork, man.
The original foundation woodwork, man, na Seaview.
Every time.
Yeah, man. Anybody want big up, send out in a greetings to?
Big up each and every one in a Seaview Garden still. Big up my brother Morgan from Rockport. My sister Darrell from Spanish Town. My brother Devon Dennis. And all the rest of the family. Coming from here. Every time.
Every time. Greatness. Yeah, man.
Bless.
Now the jigsaw that like a work, you know, you see me?
Yeah, man.
I don't know. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah, I send greetings to me. My mother, who live in Florida. I send greetings to my sister, who live in Florida. My brother and my niece. Yeah, cause my niece Flower was there, gone in Florida. Yeah, I send greetings to everybody, you know?
Yeah.
So my mother said I come check her early next year. I send greetings to my two sons them. They are Panama City. I come look for them early next year. Let them know that, you see me? Yeah, Shane and Shamar. Yeah.
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, Jamaica, good life. And my daughter, I don't remember my daughter, Chanel and Raquel. Yeah. Tell them say happy Christmas and many New Year and give thanks.
When it come.
When it come, you see me?
Yeah.
And big up yourself, cameraman.
Blessings.
Yeah, blessings.
Good life. Jamaica, good life. Great Johnny Blacks.
Don't know something. You're hungry in England. Yeah, love your can done.
Yeah.
You may have said no, you got my wife in Canada, the rest of the family them. You may have said, Happy Christmas and long New Year to you all. Big up!
Blessings. Blessings, my general.
Yeah, man, big up man like Rai. America, son Nayon, and my wife. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes, son.
Alright, then.
I said, big up Winsome, Nafi, Nicky, Duran, all of the family them.
Yeah, everyone.
Big up all of the family.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Brother Ricky.
Right across the globe with Kino.
Yes, I.
Roaster.
Right.
Don't see that Johnny Blacks are doing the good works. You may have said, brother, big up yourself for the Christmas and long live for the New Year, brother. Big up your damn self.
Yeah. Sonia.
Yes.
The chicken lady.
Yes.
With the blessings again. Over there, you know we have to come check your man.
Okay.
Nobody at all with your chicken.
Greetings to all my Facebook friends and family.
Yeah.
Big up everybody in Seaview. Love them.
Yes. Cheers.
Yeah.
I'd like to send greetings to my daughter in Boston,
Okay.
Janice, my dad in Houston, Texas,
Yeah.
my sister in Boston, my two sisters, June and Kay, and my nieces, Christine, Christina, my sister in Bristol,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Hazel, and my niece and my nephew, and my good family in Boston, Nana and Musmus, Thomas,
So that's so much family over us.
okay? Jacqueline, okay? All of my family in Boston, I love you all. Houston, Texas, my father, my sister.
Patrick. Good life member.
Big up yourself, man. Don't know, big up all of my family members in America. You don't know Shane, Shana, Tia Page, Mona Lisa, your mother, Tia. You don't know, big up yourself.
Sure.
Big up Ratman to all them there on the ground. Live America, see you.
in America,
Blessings, man. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever forward, hear that?
Yeah.
That's there with a vibe, you see? Somewhere. Get the studio settings up, you understand?
Yeah. Abroad record.
Yeah, abroad record, Sunball, yeah. Sunball abroad.
Yeah.
Matty.
Right to see there.
Yeah, brother man, up man. Big up everybody for the Christmas.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, man.
See you, man.
Good life to the world, you know? Blessings, brother.
And I'm one of the pillar ladies in Seaview Garden. My name is Janet. I'm selling my pillar routines. Yeah, to my friends and relatives and family in Seaview Garden. Big up to all, the old one, the young ones. Peace and love and harmony.
Blessings.
Greeting in the mighty name of Jesus. Love you all.
Love you all. Blessings.
Send Merry Christmas to my sweet daughter working at JPS. Her name is Danica Robinson. Her mother sending out greetings to her. I need to send out greetings to the rest all of my families and friends across the world. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year coming from Sonia in Seaview Garden.
Blessings.
Jamaica good life.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.